Kevin Bradway showing you the Caddy Speed Link system for basket tray. First step, when you get the cable itself, it comes packaged like this, individual. Take the sleeve off. And what I'm showing here is for hanging basket tray is the Y toggle. So what you do is you would hook it on your basket tray. The clips clip in, like what's showing. On the other end, this would be considered what they consider as the plunger, which basically it has arrows on it that tells you which way it's got to feed in. Once you feed it in, once it's in, you just pull it. Now picture going around a beam. You go around a beam like this, put in the other end, and once you have that, now it's adjustable. So now you can actually adjust how much of the cable that you actually want sticking out. Okay? Like what's showing. To release the plunger, you don't need any tools. Pull the plunger to release it. Now you manually can adjust it. We make different cables. This is a 1.5 millimeter. We also make a 2, and we also make a 3 millimeter, depending on how much weight that you need to hold, which ranges from 100 pounds, 200 pounds, and 300 pounds. We also make different options too. If you do not want the hook, what is showing here, we also make different options too. If you have any questions about the Caddy Speed Link, please contact your local rep from Warner.